Hey, it's me. Hey, so today we are reconnecting with nature. Okay, we are because it's needed every once in a while, and you know, we're having a family day out and that always ends up in havoc. So I thought I'd bring you along, you know, show you what I have to deal with, or what they have to deal with, like they say. But I might not doing a slick back. I hate doing slick backs, like, I hate it, because my head's just too fat for it, I'm stupid. And I'm also like on my period too. I've had like 2 minute breakdowns today, it's just not going well. Really not. It's just not going well. Is it going well or not? Okay. Like, why does it look like that? I'm like not even using any product, this is all my own grease. In case you're wondering. Because people care about that. But yeah, we're going down to Wales for the day. Which is, you know, kind of cool. Something I like to do every once in a while. So I thought I'd vlog it. Because, yeah, it's always interesting. You know what I mean? Okay, whatever. I actually don't care anymore. I'll just have to do. Yeah, these cramps are killing me. Like, I need to take some medicine before then. Like, seriously. Why is this camera going out of focus? I'm hoping to get more tan today. I'm really hoping that I don't. But like, I need to roll these fucking sleeves on. This is just like one pump. Okay. Oh my god, you're just gonna have to deal with that. Like, that's disgusting. Let's go in the car. Do you want to get on it? Give me salvo glasses. What? Just salvo glasses.
Hey. Ray-Bans, these 150 a day.
Where are we? Langdolin?
Langyoli.
We're at Langdolin, which is a weird village. No offence if you live here. But...
It's everything now.
It is a weird village.
Shot you.
Shot? It's Wales. Everybody's so yeah. Lydia. You have little rafters here. I mean, well, once me and my sister to do them. I think it's down this little river thing here. Ow! What's done my nails?
Oh wait, no, it isn't.
But look, they're all like up there. Don't know if you can see them. Oh yeah, look, they're down there. Like doing rafters, I don't want to film them and be like that weird, but...
If you look at me, I swear it's so to drink.
Getting a quick fucking workout.
Where is he?
I'm not like, because it's a bit embarrassing. Outdoor gym and that.
Is he that time on Barbara now, is he?
Cheeky river. There is rapids you can book, but it's like really fucking expensive, it's like 55 quid.
The train's up there. The train? No, you didn't get 2 hours.
Pure reconnected with nature here.
Reconnection with the shit.
So much CO2, and it stinks of gas. Right here. Look.
I'd say stuff like that.
Why? Where are they? Where is it? There's a squirrel as well. A smelly bastard. No, it's from a jellyfish. There's a fucking eel. Go chase it.
No, I don't like them.
They like it.
Do some cheese for it. Quite close to.
This is father. Where? Where?
Little squirrel. That Tim's.
Going down the shade off there, yeah.
Yeah. Saddle glasses. Yeah. We made the notation.
Gonna have to drive.
Well, I'm done. I don't want to be definitely.
Boller Lake, or whatever it's called. Boller Lake? Boller Lake.
Think kind of put the car down here?
Nice view.
Yeah, bring the car down
It's
here.
still on it, right?
Where? What way?
It's matter anyway, it's free very far.
We're heading back home now because it's cold. Chilly on the hour, Willie.
Oh,
Isn't it, Reese?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice time. Hello. It's like 6 o'clock now. I just got home and my tea. Now I'm gonna edit this. But I'm going to MJ night tomorrow, so I'll film and get ready with me and post it on be out Tuesday because I'm going to the lakes on Monday. What's going on? Skin's breaking out. But I need to find my outfit that I'm gonna wear. It's somewhere in there, but I don't know where. So I'll find that in a minute. But thanks for watching. This was just, you know, a little chill one, little memory video. But thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. But you'll see me Tuesday.